You know, some say we came here with nothing and we leave here with nothing. I can't help but think and wonder, the stuff we see around us as far as nature goes, we didn't create none of that. So therefore, how can we lay claim to it, right? All we could do is take care of this earth, love it, appreciate it, and love others the same, So yeah, I'm not gonna keep this too long. That's what it is. Get back to nature and learn to grow apart from technology, okay? Get back to nature because that's where things are heading to. So with that being said, one love, selfless love, unconditional love, true peace, not deceitful peace. So till next time.